In my last video, I was setting up LDAP and I made one mistake and it didn't work. So I'm going to try and correct that today. Hopefully this won't be a long one, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm logged into my LDAP server that's not running. Well, it is running, but you just can't do anything with it, can't connect to it. And I think I know why, as you all pointed out, and I did actually make a point of it in my last video. So let's check it out. I believe it was in here. No, it wasn't. What am I talking about? There we go. There it was. That one there. I forgot to uncomment that. Simple mistake, but that's what I did. So let's try it now. Let's restart it. Failed to start. Let's see why. Who said what now?
What?
I think that might be why. Let's change to 89. Let's try again. There we go. Let's start it this time. Let's double checking the log. Okay. So now that it's running, let's actually try the script that I tried last time. No, I can't remember what it was. Okay, so did I do? There we go. That looks exactly the same as last time. Yeah, it's done it because you can see it in the log right there. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the LDAP scripts then. Yeah, that's right. Right, as far as I can tell, and going by the logs, it's all done what it's supposed to do. One last try. Okay, let me try something. Okay, so there's no users in my LDAP server. I'll tell you what I am going to do, actually. Ordinarily, I wouldn't do this. Oh, yeah, of course. Duh. Let's get everything up to date. Okay. Okay, so that's already installed. Let's just set that up. That won't take long. I will do a video on this. Okay, I've already enabled it. All right, let's reboot. So much for a quick one. Right. Why not? Why is that failing? Right. Yep. This is why I hate doing LDAP. This is why it's taken me so long to do it and all. This is why it's taken me so long to do it as well. Right, let's try again. Okay. Excellent. So I want to log into Webmin. Let's just do that. So it was HTTPS 89. Yes, I know. Proceed. Right, root. Here we go. Yeah. Right, the servers. LDAP server. Why not? Yeah, see? It's running. Actually, it may not be. Not running. Interesting. It's running, it knows it's running, yet it can't do anything. Why? And nothing's showing up in the logs. See, this is what I'm talking about. When it comes to OpenLDAP, I'm missing something. I know I am, I must be, because it should be running. But I can't even see it there. Oh, there it is, slapd. But I can't connect to it. Yeah, see, there it is. It's running. But I can't connect. Don't get it. It just doesn't make any sense. Get rid of that. So let me just check. Okay, just for ease of use, I'm going to try doing it in plain text for now. What one was that? Just for now, just to see if I can get it working, because I'm wondering if this is my problem. Alright, everything is using the same password. Oh, this drives me out the wall, really does. Why not? Don't make any sense. Yeah. See, this drives me up the wall.
Gary has decided he dislikes LDAP. If you watch carefully, you can see his soul leave his body.
Okay, so interestingly, it's running. Let's find the access. Where would that be? That in slapd. Oopsie. Is it because of that? Well, I got a bit further this time. I think what I'm going to do is find a very in-depth explanation to LDAP and go through it that way. So to answer the question in my last video, no, I can't. I can't use the handbook, or in this case, FreeBSD's wiki, an extension of the handbook, as far as I'm concerned, to set up an LDAP server. There we go. Like, comment, share, all that. Discord server in the bottom of the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.